Hi, welcome to 2-Minute Money, where we explain complicated financial topics in the same amount of time it takes to get a free quote from LendingTree. Today, we're tackling the age-old question, what type of credit card reward gives you the most bang for your buck? Miles, cash back, or points? The clock starts now. Okay, let's start with a pop quiz. Which option sounds like the best credit card sign-up bonus? $250 cash, 10,000 miles, or 20,000 credit card points? Credit card miles and credit card points are typically worth about 1 cent each. So 10,000 miles is worth about $100, and 20,000 points is worth about $200, which means you're better off taking the $250 credit. But here's the thing. It's not uncommon to see a credit card with a sign-up bonus of 60,000 miles or more. That could get you a round-trip ticket to Europe. Those bonuses usually come with spending requirements. Here's a way to hack this. Pick a card with an amazing sign-up bonus. Use it for all of your purchases until you've met that spending requirement, and then pay it off immediately. Travel reward cards often come with perks like priority boarding, free checked bags, and access to airport lounges. Those cards usually have an annual fee, which can range from $95 up to $600. Cashback cards tend to be a little easier to understand. Let's say you spend $2,000 a month with your cashback card, earning a flat rate of 1.5% cash back. That's $30 a month or $360 a year. And that's a pretty modest rate. If you have excellent credit, you can probably find a card with up to 6% cash back on select purchases, which could get you up to $120 a month or over $1,400 a year. If you travel a lot, miles or points are the way to go. If you're not a huge traveler or just want more flexibility, keep it simple with a cashback card, especially if you can find one with no annual fee and a high cashback rate. Just keep an eye out for those limits. And the best way to use your rewards cards? Use them strategically based on spend categories and cashback rates. Just don't apply for multiple cards in a short period of time. That can ding your credit score. All right, time's up. Want to know which cards we found with the best sign-up bonuses? Just follow the link below. See you next time.